Hi guys, this is Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a spiral shirt, and this one I'm going to use a single color on the front and I'm going to use black on the back. The shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. I'm going to begin the spiral using a fork, and as I turn the fork with one hand, I'm going to use my other hand to form additional folds in the shirt. Once the entire shirt is spiraled, I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. So for this shirt, I'm going to use Kingfisher Blue on the front of the shirt, and that's a Dharma Trading Company color. I want to apply the Kingfisher Blue to the entire front side of the shirt, and I want to apply it fairly thick. I want to make sure the color just starts to go through to the back of the shirt. I also want to make sure that I apply the color to the sides of the shirt and that the sides get well saturated. Now I'm going to turn the shirt over and I'm going to apply black bang from Custom Colors to the back side of the shirt. I want to apply the liquid all over the back of the shirt to cover up all of the white areas. However, I don't want to put too much of the black color right in the middle of the spiral because I don't want to muddy the colors. I also don't want to apply too much of the black color to the entire back because I don't want the black to overtake all of the Kingfisher Blue that I put on the front side of the shirt. After I'm finished applying the dye, I set the shirt aside and allow it to process for at least 24 hours. Then I took the shirt to the sink and I began rinsing in cold water and gradually warmed the water up and continued rinsing until most of the excess dye was removed. Then I put the shirt in my washing machine and I washed it using hot water and a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. I threw it in the dryer and this is what our shirt looks like. So for this shirt I used Kingfisher Blue on the front side, but you can use any color on the front instead of the blue. One of the questions that I frequently get asked is how do you get the dark lines in between the color on a spiral shirt? And this is how it's done. You either add one or more colors on the front, and then you add a dark color all over the back of the shirt. You don't have to just use black either. You can use either a dark blue or any combination of colors that you like. Say a blue on the front and a green on the back, or a pink on the front and a purple on the back. Be creative with it and use whatever color combination that you like. So hey guys, if you've enjoyed watching this video, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.